Before we get into this video, please subscribe to my channel, click the bell notification button and please like this video as well. Good morning everybody, today it is Tuesday the 28th of April and this morning I am currently waiting for my new iPhone SE to arrive. And basically, like, I ordered the iPhone SE on Sunday, like, and Royal Mail are meant to be delivering it today. Honestly guys, I am super excited. Because basically, if you guys do not know, basically my iPhone 8, that is like a film, like for YouTube videos and vlogs and everything. Basically, the audio is awful, and one of like the internal microphones or something is gone. So like, I was really annoyed when editing, and like I had to put. But yes, like I treated myself to like a new phone. Basically, the new iPhone SE, it's a iPhone 11, but in the old iPhone 8 body, and like it's really cool because it has like a touch ID and everything, and like a better camera compared to the iPhone 8 as well. So guys, honestly, I'm super like excited to be getting this phone because, you know, I do like to keep up with technology and get like a new phone every now and then. Like, it's just a shame that this phone is already broken on me already, which is annoying, but it is what it is guys. I ordered the iPhone SE in white, and honestly, like, it's so pretty. Like, this black, white and red, and then I chose the white just like it'll go with more phone cases and everything, and it'll be more neutral. So yes, but like I'm super excited. Like, and also the starting price is $419, which is like the cheapest iPhone yet, I think. Maybe not actually, but like it's just like a cheaper iPhone basically, and it's the same phone as a iPhone 11 basically. Also guys, if you are new here, please make sure to subscribe to my channel because we are so close to 2,500 subscribers. So make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel because we are really close now, and we are like building up subscribers every day. We're basically on a roll with subscribers at the minute guys, so please keep subscribing to my channel and it would mean the world. Yes, exciting times. But yeah, my phone has finally arrived, and like I'll try and open it up if I can. The packaging is probably quite hard to open. I ordered the white iPhone SE, and like it'll go with more of the phone cases, and like it was just a bit more nicer I thought. The 64GB phone as well, so like the smallest memory, but like it'll still be enough for me. I'm gonna open it up. Oh, well, this is so hard to open guys, but oh my god. So this is the box. For some reason, this seems bigger than my phone. Green's black, and I'm just going to open it anyway. Oh, this is really satisfying. Oh my god, that's really cool. Take it off and you open it up. So here's the phone guys, it's like a lovely white colour, and like it's gorgeous. The back camera's meant to be better, so, which is really cool. This iPhone is the same size as the iPhone 6 and iPhone 8. Like, oh my god, it's gorgeous. Peel it off. Like, I will have to put like a screen protector and like phone case on it, but it's absolutely gorgeous. Oh my god, like it's beautiful, isn't it? And then the box comes with like the charger and like the cable obviously, and like the earphones, and it's just really satisfying to take all this off.
I'm quite surprised you've literally now just got a brand new phone. Like, it's so weird, isn't it? Cause,
yeah, I know.
Because normally it's a big deal for Christmas, and here you are.
Treat myself to a new phone, so here's like a new cable. Actually, my Apple cable from my iPhone 8 has lasted me like a whole year and a half. It hasn't broken me.
You know, does the screen seem to like cover more? I don't know whether it's because it's all black, but you know, like compared to the 8, it seems to be like more round.
Yeah, that's true. Well, we'll turn the phone on anyway. Oh my god, this is really exciting. It's gonna turn on. Oh, there we go. Oh my god, the phone is gorgeous though. Like, it's like a white and silver, and like it's gorgeous, isn't it? Oh, hello. Overall, this phone's so good so far. Like, I will test the camera soon. But I'm giving me this phone case to use for now. So like, I'll put this on this phone. Let's hope it's all right to fit. Fits perfectly.
Yeah, see, it's the
that's
same
really
size
cute.
as the 8, isn't it?
Yeah.
Let me see.
It's really cute.
Yeah.
Anyway guys, I'll set up this phone now, and then I'll start vlogging on this phone. Hopefully I'll see you on this phone. So yeah, how exciting. So guys, I'm vlogging on my new phone now. Firstly, I've noticed the quality is so good. Oh my god, like it's actually really good compared to the iPhone 8. Like, oh my god, like the quality is really good. Hopefully the audio is really good as well. But oh my god, like the quality and everything, I'm obsessed with this. Like, I have to reset my other phone for my mum because she's actually going to get my iPhone 8 because she's actually got the first iPhone SE, so like, and her battery's basically dead, so like she wanted to like a new phone, so she's having mine. So yes guys, here is the back camera. Like the quality is so good. Oh my, I can't believe it. Like it's honestly amazing. Wow guys, like if you guys like want a new phone, definitely buy this one for the camera, because this camera, I'm not even joking, the best iPhone camera I've ever had on any of my phones, because I did have the iPhone 5C first, then the iPhone 6S, and then the 8, and then now the iPhone SE. There's people looking in my house, which is a bit awkward, really. Why'd you have to keep looking in my house, guys? But anyway, yes, I'm very like excited. Like I will reset this phone now because this is ready to go. Guys, I've just wrapped up with my mum's iPhone, my old iPhone 8. Like I'll show you what I've done. I used the plastic sealing for the phone, which I thought was quite funny. The earphones are stuffed in, like the little charger behind, the little plug socket, whatever you call it. So yeah, so that's the phone all ready to go. So the phone's all ready to go. Now I'm going to make a start on some college work again, because I need to do it like on a Monday, Tuesday and a Friday. That's what days I'm in college, like a Monday, Tuesday, Friday. I'm going to make a start on some college work, so like I need my laptop and a pen and paper as well to do like my work on. Here's like my college kind of like thing that like just have like a lot of writing in. I will be doing like all my work in here for today, so yes, so, like I'm gonna get on a roll. Like also this camera is so good, like it's amazing. I'm just like obsessed with the camera. I have finished my college work now, guys. I'm just gonna be watching some YouTube videos. I've been watching this morning, because this morning is my fave. Like Philip and Holly are so funny. But yeah, like I'm just gonna be watching some YouTube videos, probably like clean my room a little bit. Also my mum like opened the phone, but like we'll probably set it up tonight. So yeah, but like she really likes it, which is good. Basically guys, yesterday I ate a full Lindt chocolate bunny and I felt so fat. I literally stuffed my face full of chocolate. But now guys, I'm going to be having some Malteser buttons because they are my faves, so I'm going to go and enjoy them while I can. So yes, I'm gonna go and I can do that and probably edit my vlog from yesterday as well to get it uploaded, and also have a video it'll all be uploaded. Like it's basically like an assumptions video, kind of Q&A as well, and it's really good, and I basically answered a lot of questions that I have been avoiding in the past on my YouTube channel, so you will find out more about me maybe. So please go and watch that video if you have not already. Like I put it on the screen somewhere now if I can. But yeah, please go and watch that vid, because it's a good one and it's probably one of my favourite videos maybe on my channel now. So yes, let's hope the phone will stay and it won't fall off, because I cannot afford to buy myself another new phone. But anyway guys, oh my god, my hair like just have so many baby hairs. Can you see that? Right, I'll brush my hair quickly guys, because I know that's a lot of baby hairs and they like annoy me so much. Guys, does anyone else have this problem where like your baby hairs always stick up? Can't be the only person who has this problem. Like in case you're wondering, my jumper is from can't speak. My jumper is from Pretty Little Thing, and these leggings are from Pretty Little Thing also. Khaki green kind of reached bum leggings, but honestly so comfortable. But anyway guys, what was I gonna say? If any of you guys are struggling with family problems or like your mental health or anything, feel free to message me. My Instagram is alice.holmes_, so feel free to message me on there, like if you want to talk to someone. Like I'm always on Instagram and I'm always replying to like DMs and everything, so yes. But also guys, so I want to know like how long you've been subscribed to my channel. Like how many subscribers did I have when you subscribed to me? Like did I have like 100, 1,000, 2,000? How many subscribers did I have? Or how long have you been subscribed to my channel for? I would like to know guys, because it's kind of interesting to see how long you've been subscribed for. But yeah, I'm just gonna like chill now and I'll probably film some TikToks again, because I'm just so bored. Like, and TikTok is the only answer right now to all your problems, literally. Has anyone else seen the Chanel parrot comedy thing? Chanel! Oh my god, it's so funny. But anyway guys, I'm just gonna like make some TikToks. Like I think that I'm like maybe allergic to mascara, because whenever like I wear it, my eyes always water and itch with it on, and like it could just be this mascara, because I have had this mascara for well opened for around probably almost a year now, and that is quite bad to keep a mascara open for like a year. So maybe all the bacteria like and dust has got into it, and that will not be good if that is the case. So maybe like I have to buy like a new mascara and throw that one out. But yeah, like it's so itchy and sore, but I don't know. Anyway guys, I'm gonna make some TikToks. I have just uploaded a new video, and please go and watch it guys. I'm just gonna find it for you guys, answering questions I've been avoiding, and please go and watch it if you haven't, like if you guys have not already. And also guys, we are really close to 2,500 subscribers. It is literally crazy guys, this is how fast we're gaining. Like it's so good, honestly great. So please subscribe if you are like a new person here. Please subscribe to this channel, it would mean a lot. But yeah, but anyway guys, I'm going to end this vlog really early. This must be like the earliest I have ever ended a vlog, but like I do have a lot of editing to do and college work to catch up on and everything like that. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you did, make sure to leave a thumbs up, comment down below, and please also subscribe to my channel as well, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.